How to log into Exness App. First of all, open the app on your device. On the home screen, you will see two options, Register and Sign In or Google button. If you signed up with Google, tap on Google, select your email and you will be logged in automatically. If you used email and password, tap on Sign In, then enter your email address followed by your password. Make sure you enter the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. After entering your login details, tap the Sign In button. You may be prompted to enter your 6-digit PIN or complete two-factor authentication if it's enabled for added security. Once verified, you will be successfully logged in and taken to your dashboard where you can access your trading account, manage trades, check live market updates, and explore the various tools available in the app. If you encounter any issues logging in, you can reset your password using the Forget Password option or contact Exness support for assistance. Now you know how to log into the Exness app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.